Hey, and welcome to Just Another Day in My Life. Today is Sunday, and y'all, it has been busy for me. I had to go out and do a little shopping. I went to Walmart to purchase a few things that I needed for my household, which was definitely necessary. So, this is me. This is a channel mainly focused on getting things done in my household, whether I am out shopping, whether I am just cleaning, whether I am cooking. This is me. Yes. So I hope everyone has had a fabulous and wonderful day. Today has been pretty chilly today here in the Carolinas. Uh, a little different than what you could really expect because the whole entire week has been in the 80s and the 90s, and today kind of did a little flip-flop weather. The weather was just a little cold, and we got some rain, and much needed rain today, of course. So I was glad about that. I hope everyone had a wonderful day, got a chance to get out and go to church or do some much needed things that you needed to do today that you didn't get done yesterday or throughout the week, because I know that I got a few things done. Mostly what I got done was last night, because yesterday was my granddaughter's birthday, and we threw her a surprise birthday party, and she was totally shocked. Celebrating her 16th birthday, and I think that's pretty special. So yeah, we threw her a birthday party at my mother's house here in North Carolina, and all of her friends and her siblings were there, and she was, I think, just a bit emotional. I don't think she was crying, but however, she was a little emotional. She didn't expect any of those wonderful surprises that she got during her birthday. And it was a very special moment. Very special. But like I said, I am spending the rest of this evening just getting some much needed things done, not to mention right here. So I'm doing a little bit of laundry. This is like the third load, so once that finished washing and drying, I got to fold that up, and I'm just making things happen in the household and trying to as you can see, I got the kitchen pretty much cleaned up, and I'm just sitting here just relaxing. I know y'all see that KFC over there, but however, yeah, so this is me, because I wanted to pretty much kind of let you guys know that this is what I do during the evening. I try to settle down and after cleaning up, get myself together and sort of relax a little bit and just kind of settle in. I hope, like I said, everyone is having an amazing day. Y'all, I just purchased a new tripod because my other one broke. Of course, I broke it. So I went out and purchased two tripods. The one that I'm using now, which is a selfie stick, and this one right here that I have not opened at all. And this is right here. And then I got this one. This is a 6-in-1 multi-pod tripod, which you use for your cell phone, action cameras, and compact cameras, And this one stands, okay? So I needed, they were pretty cheap. Both of them were both reasonable prices, but they were both pretty cheap. So I got this one because this one will sit on a table and it extends out just like the selfie stick that I'm using. But I have to literally hold this selfie stick while I'm talking to you guys, or if I'm doing anything, or I'm walking, or whatever I'm doing, I gotta hold this one, which is fine. So I wanted 2 tripods for whatever I'm doing for the day. Yeah, so I think both of them will be quite helpful in whatever situation or whatever I'm doing at the moment. So I'm pretty happy with this one that I'm using because it extends, it says 70 inches, which is pretty long. And I'm kind of holding it out a little, as you can see. So, yeah. But I pretty much wanted to experiment with it just to see what I'm working with, you know. So, like I was saying, I have had a wonderful weekend, just enjoying myself with family and friends and all of that. And like I said, got a lot of things done that was necessary and what needed to be done. I got it done. So I'm so grateful for that. So tomorrow, you guys, I will be going out and getting my coffee. So I'm going to take you guys right along with me when I get my coffee. I enjoy going to either Dunkin' Donuts, getting my coffee, because I live in a little small town, so I don't have a variety of places to go to get that coffee. So I live in a little small town here in North Carolina. So I would either go to Dunkin' Donuts or to the EP and get my delicious coffee that I absolutely love so much. And then if I don't get it from there, I'll end up making me a pot of coffee or just a cup of coffee from home. But yeah, so I'm gonna take you guys along with me as I go out and get my coffee. And that right there is a moment of enjoyment for me. That's something that I really enjoy. So I just want to bring you guys along with me as I go out and do that. Not only that, I want to take you guys along with me when I'm doing some grocery shopping at our local grocery store or at Walmart, because I also grocery shop there. Or if I'm shopping for the household, or if I'm doing some much needed cleaning in my household, whether it is cleaning or mopping the floors or folding clothes, cleaning our closets, whatever it is, I want to bring you guys on my daily adventure, my daily life, what I do on a daily basis, okay? This right here is more of an intro to this channel. So I want you guys to get really familiar with me, who I am, and what I will be doing on this channel. So I hope you really like some of the things that I'll be doing, because it will be a variety of different things. Whether also I will be fixing, I enjoy painting, okay? I really enjoy that. But I like fixing on furniture and just fixing things. So I want you guys to just come along with me as I do those things. I probably will be using my other tripod over there, because just sitting here holding the tripod in my hand, I know there's a little shakiness going on. But as I sit here and hold the tripod in my hand, I know that I won't be able to do that for a long period of time. So it'll give me an opportunity to use my other tripod, my new tripod. So you guys, so like I said, I'm hoping to get to know you guys a little bit better, and I want y'all to know who I am. I want y'all to know, get to know me as a person, to look forward to seeing me in my house, out and about, doing the things that I do on a daily basis, okay? So I'm hoping also, if you like this channel, that you would take the time out or kindly subscribe. Drop down in the comment whatever you would like to see me do on this channel, okay? Because I find that interesting. Drop down in the comments and let me know, because I will personally read each and every one of your comments, and I would also get back with each and every one of y'all, respond to each and every one of y'all, because that's something that I believe in doing, okay? So, like I said, this is a channel where I will be doing long forms and some live stream on the channel. I don't believe I'll be doing any shorts on this channel, because I want to kind of just stick to my plans of the way that I want to do things. So with that being said, I hope that each and every one of y'all have a good evening, and until the very next video, take care.